So, start off this video with a little update. Things did not go as planned. Today's Friday. The day's not over yet, but we're in a mad dash to get it sorted out so we can have the truck for the weekend. So I guess I should probably back up a little bit and you guys can see what happened. Oh man, what a day. All right, so the wheel spacers did not show up in the mail like they were supposed to. I gotta take my shoes off. And so now we're in like a mad scramble because I'm not available at the beginning of next week. Jason can't leave it at his shop. They're not open tomorrow. And I don't want to leave my truck sitting at their shop for another week. Waiting on spacers that USPS just didn't deliver for over a week after I ordered them, even though they say they're supposed to be delivered today. But this has happened to me before. And what happened was they said it was supposed to be delivered today. And then at the very end of the day, it updates and says now it's supposed to be delivered tomorrow. So a mad dash, scramble, trying to figure out what to do. I started calling companies, ended up in Atlanta. They put me in touch with a distributor that wouldn't sell to me because they're a distributor, but they, I'm out of breath, been running. Climbing up down them stairs a bunch. They put me in touch with a distributor that wouldn't sell to me, but I called the distributor and he did me a huge favor and started calling his customers that are in Birmingham to try to see who had them in stock. So we found a shop up in North Birmingham and they're in stock. We're gonna go pick them up now and like express them to Jason's shop so he can put them on the truck, get it aligned, and then get it back to me. So it's time to hop on the bike. We gotta hit the road. All right, we're back. You guys have no clue how heavy 4 8-lug spacers are on a backpack. 8x180 2-inch, 8180 to 8180 2-inch, yeah. Right? That's it. All right, cool. All right, so we dropped the spacers off, and man, that was clutch. Forestdale tire coming in clutch with the spacers. So now they got to put it on the alignment rack, put the factory wheels and tires back on it. I saw it. It looks sick. It's really tall. But I'm not gonna let you guys see it until we're ready. So yeah, we're gonna head home now and then we'll be back up here at the end of the day to pick it up. What are you doing, homie? You just doing circles? Huh?
Where do you want me to go?
You just doing circles? Go for it.
No, where do you want me to go?
I don't care, wherever you want to go. So I just got home from dropping the spacers off, and we got to go back at 4:45, so 2 hours should be done. But in the meantime, check this out. We were working on our Christmas light setup. We got a little fake tree with lights. That was fun to do. Bushes. This little dog for some reason. We got wreaths everywhere. Super festive. And then we covered our uplights with these bags. So I don't know why it looks yellow. It doesn't look yellow in real life. It looks more like red. There you go, like that. And red, then green, then back to red, then back to green. So hopefully that'll light our house up, like, you know, red, green, different patterns. It looks pretty cool. So I gotta wait 2 hours, then we go pick the truck up. Oh, it's parked out front. All right, we are pulling up now. Sitting at this traffic light, and I can see my truck, but I can't really tell anything about it. Oh, it's pretty tall. Oh man, look how big that truck is.
Oh my gosh.
It's beside Jason's. Holy cow. That's a tall truck, is it not? Leaman. Leaman. I'm not showing you guys yet. I gotta wait. It's pretty dang tall, isn't it?
Stupid. There's no reason.
Oh, there is a reason. That's a what? What were you showing?
That one looks just like yours.
No, it's older body style. All right, you can see it behind us, maybe. Oh, there's the tail lights. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pick it up. All right, you ready to show them the truck? All right, here we go. And there it is. Holy cow. Leaman, go stand by it. That's a big old truck.
That one was 5 foot.
Yep. So we kept the stock wheels, 37-inch tires.
What's this?
It's my leaf spring, new shocks. Yep, looks good. Raised up the bump stop brackets. You go up to the front here. New shocks in the front, new spindle, all the extensions for everything, and a drop member there. Looks pretty dang good. All right, dude. Now we gotta try to climb up in this thing. You ready? Let's see you do it. Do the honorary first climb up. First of all, don't break my handles.
I can't. It's
All right.
really
Let's see it. How you gonna get up in here? Huh? Okay. Hey. You got it? You good? All right. All right. You ready? All right. Now I gotta try to get up in this thing. I don't think it'll be that bad. Grab the handle and pull up. Oh yeah, that ain't that bad.
It's not for me.
Whew. Whoever sat in this thing last is not as tall as me. You like?
I saw you have to struggle to
I hopped a little bit. It wasn't bad. Oh. All right. That's it. Now we gotta drive this thing. What? This thing is massively tall. Like looking out at the ground, it's really tall. My wife's back here taking pictures of me. I don't know if you can see her. So tall. Such a tall truck. I wonder what this is going to do to my gas mileage. I'm sure it's going to go down. Oh yeah, it's definitely going to go down. This truck is so lifted. This truck is so tall. I had to pull over here so Lindsay could get some gas. And I figured, why not pull right here and do a little photo shoot. Look at how massive this thing is. And really, pictures and video don't do it justice. I don't know why, but it's just really tall. We'll get some better footage tomorrow and for another video, but you get the point. This thing's tall. Oh, and we got a package coming tomorrow. We get all of our last fit LED bulbs. So they're going to be sending us turn signal bulbs right here, low beams and high beams. I think that's it on the front. They are sending us third brake light bulbs up top there, as well as the cargo lights for up top. And then they're sending us reverse lights and license plate lights. We got LEDs in there now, but I don't know what brand they are, and so we're gonna put last fit in there. The only thing they don't have are the LEDs for the brake lights, and that's because they hyper flash and they haven't released a bulb yet that doesn't do that. So as soon as that happens, you better believe I'll have them. But for now, that's it. We're gonna go get some dinner. Appreciate you guys watching. She's lifted, and I like it. All right, we're back home. It's dark, and I'm about to take you guys in a Christmas wonderland. That is the sparkly tree that's 20 foot tall in our front yard. Pretty cool, huh?
Yes.
You like it?
We put it today. It's tiring for you. Hey, and your cord's made a bow on the top.
It's quite a bit of lights. As you can see over there, his house. So he tried to class it up a little bit. And then we got the, I don't know, I think it's 18 feet tall. Pretty cool to walk through though. Sure is way up there.
Your bow's,
Uh-huh.
your light's made a bow.